What if one night you looked up at the sky and the moon was gone? No warning, no explanation, just darkness where it used to be. Tonight, on the Random Fact Factory, we'll explore what would actually happen if the moon suddenly disappeared. The truth is stranger and scarier than you think. Fact 1. The tides would collapse. The moon's gravity pulls our oceans, creating high and low tides. Without it, only the sun would control them, making tides about 2/3 weaker. Coastal ecosystems would collapse, affecting fish, coral reefs, and the food chain. Fact 2. The Earth would start to wobble. Right now, the moon stabilizes Earth's tilt at 23.5 degrees. Without it, our tilt could swing wildly, from almost 0 degrees to as much as 85 degrees. That would mean extreme seasons, burning summers and frozen winters. Fact 3. Nights would become pitch black. The moon reflects sunlight, making it the second brightest object in the sky. Without it, stargazing would be spectacular, but humans and animals that depend on moonlight, like wolves, owls, and sea turtles, would struggle to survive. Fact 4. Life itself could change. Scientists believe the moon's gravitational influence may have played a role in stabilizing conditions for complex life on Earth. Without it, evolution might have looked very different, or maybe it wouldn't have happened at all. Fact 5. The solar system would feel the change. The moon keeps Earth safe by absorbing asteroid impacts. Without it, Earth would be more vulnerable to collisions. And the absence of our moon could even affect the orbits of other planets over billions of years. So, what if the moon vanished? We'd face weaker tides, deadly climate shifts, endless darkness, and cosmic dangers. The moon isn't just a light in the night sky, it's our silent protector. Imagine a world without it. Would humanity even survive?